Hello friends, moving on to the second chapter in the module of Macroeconomic Overview of India for Bcom Semester 5 students is Social Infrastructure, Education, Health and Family Welfare in India. Now physical infrastructure includes transport, communication, water and energy distribution networks that support productive activities like manufacturing, farming and generating services. But on the other hand, social infrastructure refers to creation and maintenance of facilities and structures that support the delivery of social services to the people. And this includes education, healthcare and family welfare infrastructures. Now, social structures are almost entirely supported by the government financing and programs that benefited the large mass of the population under the public distribution system, government-funded primary and education, health and family welfare infrastructure in rural and urban areas. Now, post-1991, human development and social sector underwent certain changes such as private sector investments in education and health increased, making their services more expensive. Government began to reduce subsidies and support to the social sector, though through actual expenditure increased. With reduced role of public sector, job securities in formal industrial sectors came down significantly. Informal jobs increased but with less security. Due to increased privatization of social sector, many services has to be now purchased at market-determined prices, which became unaffordable to the poor. Marginalized section of this population belonging to SC, ST, etc. would find it difficult to be a part of the growth process under the new economic policy. Thank you and keep watching upcoming sessions.